Nandavkar, a 7th grader from Shri Ravi Shankar, Vidya Mandir, Mulund, Mumbai. Have you ever wondered that the outer space is black and has no color? Then why does the sky appear blue? However, most of the time we just assume that blue is the color of the sky. But it is not difficult to learn the science behind this. Let us perform a simple experiment. For this experiment, you are going to need a glass jar full of water, a flashlight, some milk and a teaspoon. First, take the flashlight and shine it through the glass jar of water. Now as you can see, the water is colorless and the light here is white. Now take half a teaspoon of milk and add it to the glass jar of water. And now stir it thoroughly. Now again take the flashlight and shine it to the glass jar. Now as you can see, the water is appearing blue and the light at the other end is not appearing white, but it is appearing yellow orangish in color. Isn't it amazing? Because the light is white and this is orange, and the color of the milk water was off-white, and the color of the water now, after shining the flashlight through it, is blue. Why is this happening? The milk particles in the water scatter the light from the torch, just like the molecules in the atmosphere scatter the light coming from the sun. Similarly, as white light passes through our atmosphere, tiny air molecules cause it to scatter. The scattering by these air molecules is known as Rayleigh scattering. It is the dispersion of electromagnetic radiation by particles that have a radius less than approximately 1/10 the wavelength of light. This scattering increases as the wavelength of light decreases. Violet and blue light have the shortest wavelength and red light has the longest. Therefore, blue light is scattered more than the red light and appears blue during the day. When the sun is low in the sky during sunrise and sunset, the light has to travel further through the Earth's atmosphere. We don't see the blue light because it gets scattered away, but the red light isn't scattered very much, so the sky appears red. Thank you.